Hello everyone, and welcome back to another tutorial on how to access the legacy archive since its retirement and transition to the new archive. So the first thing that we're going to do is SSH into our observer account. So that's going to be done via the SSH your observer account number and then ssh.aoc.nrao.edu. So once we log in, we're going to need to SSH into the master node, where we will request a interactive node, which is done by nodescheduler request. We want it for 14 days in our case, and we only want one node. So we've been assigned a node, and so we can use the slurm SQ to identify which node that we've been assigned. So in this case, we've been assigned nmpost10, so we will SSH to that node. And we will use our observer account login here to log in. So once we've done that, we simply type vncserver. And we will be given a new VNC server here with VNC server 6. So once that's been accomplished, we open a new terminal window. And what we will do is we will use the following command to open a VNC viewer. So in this case, it's going to be VNC viewer via our observer number, so NM11325 in my case. The similar extension, so ssh.aoc.nrao.edu. And then in this case, we are going to put the node that we've been assigned to. So that's going to be nmpost10, and we are on the 6th server number. And we will then log in and use our VNC password to access our virtual desktop. So once we've accessed our virtual desktop, we will click on the red hat here, and we will search for Firefox. And in our search bar, we will go to archive.nrao.edu. And so that's how to access the legacy archive now that the new archive has taken over as the primary archive tool here at NRAO. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below or use the email address in the description to reach out to me.